Righto, so folks, you know, we're on to a new fiscal year come April 1, or Fool's Day. The government is projecting to spend approximately $773.7 billion for that new fiscal year, which is $31.8 billion less than the $805.5 budgeted for current fiscal year, which ends on the 31st of March. Break it out for us, Neferibel.
Well, they said the lion's share of the expenditure will be to service the country's debt. No surprise, 136.9 billion, 137.6 last year, 152 billion allocated for, what's that? Amortization, which is what?
It's an accounting
Which is a sharp reduction from the 243. They say there are sizable increases for national security, education, justice.
Oh, good. Well, that's good to hear.
The Office of the Prime Minister and the Minister of Economic Growth and Job Creation in the government's budget. 560 billion in expenses, up from 515 last year, while the capital budget is slashed from 290 billion to just under 214. I guess you have to be one of those financial experts to really understand exactly what everything says.
Not really. You just broke it down. You told us what.
Yeah, and they said a lot will go to road repairs. And
I'm glad to hear that there's sizable increases for security, education, and justice, because those are three areas that are very much lacking. So hopefully we'll be able to actually see that play out in the new fiscal year.
Yep.
All right. What else you have?
What's the next one?
So it's opening tonight in. Is it? I think it's. Is it everywhere today?
Yeah.
It's a universal opening?
Yeah.
Black Panther, folks, which is why we're dressed like this, apparently, opens in studios today. People are saying this is a revolutionary film, especially for black folk, black stars and all black cast, featured as stars and superheroes and just the message of being everything that you can be, and apparently it's already breaking records at the box office. Jimmy Cliff's daughter is in it? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Which daughter is that?
Jimmy Cliff.
Brazilian-born Nabia Bay.
There she is.
Oh, she plays Tilda Johnson. So how come I never hear Odessa talk some more? Me and my other siblings are very proud and happy for Nabia as it is her first movie. We're all going to see it when it opens, said her older sister Odessa Chambers, a Kingston-based publicist and television producer. That is very cool, Odessa. It's a Marvel Comics film directed by a gentleman called Ryan Coogler. It is expected to break box office records largely because of its portrayal of a black superhero. Lots of schools and lots of kids are going to see it just as a means of self-empowerment. So that's an exciting development. Why are you thinking everything over here?
All right, so we move on from that.
Is that Lupita? What a pretty dress.
Yeah, you would have heard that I think it's the driving coach for our bobsleigh female team. She quit and want to take up our sled and gone.
I want my marbles.
Yeah.
To be fair, we don't really know what happened.
Yeah, I said that yesterday.
But to take this, you know.
Yeah. Well, apparently the president of the association says it's not a problem, and she was destructive, I think was the word that he used. And he says she's gone. And he said they still have the sleigh or the sled. But Red Stripe is saying, well, if it is not, I'm saying if it's a problem, we will just sort you out. And,
Red Stripe to the rescue.
Yeah, he says that sled courtesy of world-renowned beer brand just days ahead of their participation. So Red Stripe is saying it's not a problem. We will give you the
cool running fun.
Yeah.
Cool running
the only I don't know if they are. What's the word I want?
What?
Like we have different kinds of cars. I don't know if there are different kinds.
And don't you kind of have to break it in?
Well, that's what I was saying. I don't know if it's just all sled is sled.
No, I don't. It's not. I don't think so. I don't think so.
So it kind of would be difficult for them a couple of days before. But
at least they would have a sled instead of having to slide down the ice onto there.
If in fact you need.
I think they're going to sort it out. I can't see the trainer saying, you know, I'm going to take my sled and go, but who knows?
I have one birthday.
So why you don't just give it?
Well, the birthday is actually on Sunday.
Yeah, let's see if I have any.
Hold on now. Where is gone, please? Where can I find it? See, man.
Say good morning to Yvonne Chin, please.
Yvonne Chin's birthday?
It's not her birthday, but she's watching, so say good morning to her.
Hey, Yvonne, how are you? I am so happy you're watching. All right, I'll find it. And this lady is watching. Look how this lady nice now. They call her Miss Pearl. Her name is Bernice Virgin. Remember Virgin International who came here and they do the mesh for your homes, the mosquito mesh.
I don't think
and
I
stuff.
was there. That
Garfield,
moment.
yeah. Her son Garfield. There you go. Miss Pearl, I know you're going to have a big bash on Sunday. She's 74 years old on Sunday.
Bash on Sunday?
Yeah, she's having a big party on Sunday. She's from Top Hill, Manchester. And I know she's watching. So, ma'am, I haven't met you, but I know your son. And he speaks so highly.
So, Aubrey, stand up like a prisoner and nobody not holding your ostrich over there.
And he loves you like crazy. And I hope you have a great time on Sunday, your birthday. Fix up that. Yeah. I hope I can't done with Miss Pearl, guys, my friend, you know, so Miss Pearl. I know everyone is watching now, so have an absolutely brilliant day. Start celebrate from today, because you're old enough to have wine and all kind of things.
All right,
so
Benji.
from today, Miss Pearl, may I talk to Miss Pearl?
I know.
Manchester.
But
Who is this
you.
now, Arbelo? This is from this? All right, special birthday greetings to a wonderful young lady, Donique. Where you gone?
She there?
Donique.
Why do I know her?
Is your daughter? Easy.
Oh.
Donique Thomas celebrated her birthday today. It's from Dad,
Daddy member
Aubrey, Mom
this
Donna,
time.
and your brother Adriel. Ah, there you go.
Here.
What is now? Birthday greetings to Sharon Scott, who celebrated her celebrates her day today. Some family and friends. It says, have a wonderful day. God bless. All right.
Good job.
And this is not a birthday. This is
Condolences.
to Earl Tinglin and the Tinglin family. Uncle Earl lost his wife, Joyce, from Ras Michael. Ras Tingle. I call him Michael. So we're so sorry. We're so very, very sorry. Happy birthday to who? Huh? What's the name? Loretta Hamilton. From Kian or Tian? Kian. All right, Loretta. I hope you have a great day. I'm kind of confused now. No, man.
You have more?
No, you?
Look and make sure.
Yeah,
you always have more.
Miss Pearl, my love.
You have more?
Miss Pearl, did you tell you it's from your son, Garfield, and me? No.
Look if you have more. Look.
No.
Me looking on your message, them.
No.
Of those who lived and died for the wonders of all people. So let us all begin.